Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of fractions. This is third question of its exercise 7.1. So the question says that identify the error if any. So first is this is 1 by 2 means half. So हमारे ये triangle two equal parts में divided नहीं है. So this portion is not half. So this is not half because of it is not divided into two equal parts. Same, this is 1 by 4. So यहाँ पास ये 4 पार्ट्स ये एंड ये दोनों डिफरेंट हैं, इक्वल नहीं है. सो हम इसे डायरेक्टली 1 by 4 नहीं कह सकते हैं. सो दिस इज नॉट 1 by 4 because of this shape is not divided into 4 equal parts. In third, this is 3 by 4. So same here, 3 parts हमारे shaded हैं, but in circle these all 4 parts are not divided into 4 equal parts. So this is not 3 by 4. Thank you.